friends, welcome back to my channel Design to Future, and welcome back in my second tutorial of the Solidworks in English. In this video we'll learn about how to draw sketches and basic sketching commands. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to select any plane before you draw a sketch. Just click on any of the plane. First of all, I'll start from the front plane. Just click on the front plane and click on the normal options. I have already in normal position, so I'll not click. If you will again click double click on the normal option, then the plane will be flipped just like back plane, and you have to come on the front plane again. Then you have to again click on the front plane. Just one thing keep in mind, don't click on the text over the front plane is written here. Just click on this icon. If you will click on the front plane non-text, then it will be edited like that. So don't click on the text, just click on the icon. Either you want to change the name of front plane, you can also just double click on the text and you can edit it. So just click on the icon and keep on normal position. So then you have to do just click on the sketch option. The sketch option means you have to draw a sketch in front plane. So just click on the sketch option. Then first command is called line. Just click on the line. Once you click on the line option, then click from the origin. Origin is a very important point for every drawing. So before starting of the drawing, you have to start from the origin point. Later I'll explain you what is the significant importance of this origin point. So first we have started like that and keep going in each and every direction whatever the design you have. So like that I can able to draw a design. You can also draw in any angle like that. You won't need to feed a dimension right now. You just freehand draw right here. Then further you can feed the dimension with the dimension command, smart dimension command, like that. So just click on the OK button. If you need to feed a dimension or a dimension over here, just select the smart dimension option and click whatever the dimension you have, whatever the dimension in your drawing is mentioned. Just select the line and click over the over this option. Actually the dimension is showing 0.05 is very less because I have already selected the MKS unit, means the unit is meter. So if you want to change in millimeter, which is also the very basic and very important unit system, is millimeter, mmgs. So just select it. So you can see the dimension will be converted from meter to millimeter. So just click on double click on the drawing and you can see the drawing dimension is converted into millimeter. So I'll select again smart dimension option. Just click on the line and click outside here. You can change any dimensions accordingly. So I'll change it like 30 mm. Enter. So if you need to change the angle of between two lines, just click on first line, then click on second line here and click on anywhere on the screen and change the angle of both lines accordingly. Like I'll fade 160 degree. Enter. So you can see the dimension would be changed. Okay, so one more thing, after the design would be complete, so you can just get over from the exit sketch. Like exit sketches option is here. So just click on the exit, then you can see the all dimension will be vanished, and drawing is also like in gray sketch, like gray color. So it means that all the dimension is already fitted. It is just hidden after this get over of the sketches. So if you want to draw again a dimension, or if you want to draw again a line or circle or anything else, just double click over the sketch or any of the lines here, or just click here and first option is edit sketch. Just click on the edit sketch. So you can see the sketch is again comes in blue color and you can see all over the dimension is here, whatever you have given. So again you have able to draw line, circle, polygon, anything else. So I'll draw again line, and you can also see multiple line options is also be there, like horizontal. If you want to draw only horizontal line, just click on the horizontal option and click here. Like line is travel only in horizontal direction. Your cursor will not be able to move in vertical or any other angle. Okay, so just click, and if you want to draw, again I'll select the line option, and if you want to draw vertical, then vertical option, or if you want to draw angle, then feed the angle option is here, like 45 degree. Then I'll able to draw a line only on 45 degree. You can see line will be able to draw on 45 degree, like that. Okay, so again we'll click on the line option, and other 2 or 3 options is also be there. The next option is for construction. For construction means the line will be drawn in dotted, like center line or axis, like that. This is also called line, but this is called construction line, which will help to draw another sketch, which would be not a part of current sketch, or which would be not a part of drawing sketch. It just only help to draw our sketches. So just click on line, and if you want to draw infinite length line, just click on the infinite length line and click anywhere on the screen, and you can see in both direction you can see line is drawn, or infinite line is drawing, like that. Okay, so just click again on the line, and you can see the midpoint line. Midpoint line means if you want to draw a line from midpoint of the another sketch, just click on any sketches, and you can see a line is drawing in both direction from the midpoint equally. See, line is traveling equal distance, so this is called midpoint line. Okay, just click on the arrow option of the line. You can also see the center line options, and midpoint line option is also be there. Okay, so the line is completed, and jump to the next option. So first of all, if you want to delete these sketches, just select from the left click of your mouse and just click on the delete button of your keyboard. Okay, so next come to the other option is called circle. Just select the circle option and click on the screen, like that, and you can feed the dimension of smart dimension and select the circle and click anywhere. So you can see circle, the dimension of circle is given by 5, which means the diameter. 5 means diameter. Like I want to feed 100, just feed 100 option, 100 value, and you can see the dimension of the circle is changed, and the sketches parameter of the circle is also be changed according to dimension. The second one is parameter circle, means 3-point circle. Just click on first point, then second point, then third point. Circle has been drawn, like that. Again, if you want to fill the dimension, just select on the smart dimension, and dimension will also be complete. So coming to the next point is called rectangle. There are lots of the options are present in rectangle, means many types of rectangle. The first option is called corner rectangle. Just select on the corner rectangle and click on first corner of the rectangle, then select click on the second corner of the rectangle. Second option is center rectangle. Just click anywhere. The rectangle will be drawn according to center position in equal direction on all 4 sides, like that. Okay, and one more thing, the axis, axis is also be there, which is drawn from the center line. The third one is 3-point corner rectangle. Just click on first point, then second point, then third point. So you can see the rectangle is drawn. The next option is 3-point center rectangle. Just click on first point, then second point, and third point is drawn from the center point, like that. Okay. Next one is parallelogram. Parallelogram means click on first point, second point, then you can see the both sides and the reciprocating angles would be equal, like that. Means both sides of each other is equal, and reciprocating angles are also equal of each other angles. So these are the types of rectangle. Let's come to the next option, is called arc. There are 3 types of arc is also be there. Center point arc. Click on center point arc, click anywhere on the screen, then click on center point, then move cursor at one point, then second point. You can see. You can also feed the dimension of circle, arc. Select the smart dimension, click on the arc, and you can see the arc dimension is feeding from radius from arc, and circles dimension is feeding from dimensions. So 25, I am feeding the dimension 25. So arc dimension is also modified. So next option is tangent arc. You need an end point to draw the tangent arc. Like if I want to draw an arc according to tangent of this edges, so I need to click on this end point. So you can see arc is drawing according to tangent of previous arc. Accordingly, either it can be arc or any kind of a sketch, but the arc will be drawn according to tangent of the surface, like that, continuously. If you want to exit, then click on escape button of your keyboard. Okay, the last one is 3-point arc. Just click on first point, then second point, then third point. The arc will be completed. Okay, so the next point is straight slot, polygon, spline, and ellipse. So we'll learn in next tutorial. So I hope this video would be helpful for you, and if you have any query related to this tutorial, please let me know. We'll explain you further in next upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Stay tuned with us and stay blessed and stay inspired. And also, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe button and also share with your friends. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye, take care.